Key parts of a refrigerator. The compressor is a motorized pump that circulates refrigerant throughout the refrigerator's cooling system. Condenser, the heat exchanger located at the back or bottom of the dissipates heat from the compressed refrigerant. Evaporator is another heat exchanger located inside the refrigerator. It absorbs heat from the interior of the fridge. Refrigerant is a chemical substance that undergoes phase changes from a low-pressure gas to a high-pressure liquid and vice versa. Expansion valve is a small device located between the evaporator and the condenser. It regulates the flow of refrigerant. The thermostat is a temperature-sensitive device that controls the cooling cycle of the refrigerator inside the fridge. The control panel is typically located on the front of the refrigerator and allows users to adjust temperature settings, select modes, etc. The doors are equipped with door seals that create an airtight seal when closed, preventing cold air from escaping. The interior of the refrigerator consists of shelves, drawers, and compartments for organizing and storing food and beverages. Refrigerators have interior lighting to illuminate the storage compartments when the doors are open. Some refrigerators may feature built-in ice makers and water dispensers.